ẹ̀yin tèmi Lizzy Anjorin ó tún ti jáde o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Priscilla Ojo àti ìyá rẹ̀ tẹpẹtẹpẹ. Ọlọ́tẹ̀ yìí ó tún ti fi ti Sam Larry àti Mohbad àti Naira Marley sí o. Ó ní kí ni Priscilla Ojo fi ṣorí èyí tí àwọn Sam Larry àti Naira Marley tí wọn ò fi ṣorí. Ó ní ṣe ni Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó gbé ọmọ òun jáde, ó ló wá sílé òun láti wá ya fọ́tò ọmọ òun. Eléyìí mọ̀ gbẹnu tán o. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wá jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu Lizzy Anjorin, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ yín ẹ fi sí orí comment section, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ sọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọjọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ṣe wà ní orí ètò yìí.
And that phone where they go thief, the bag where they go thief for party, they don't know say cameraman go carry them. Tell thing to do. How this thing do? Obsession on low lifers. How we go do this thing? Ayeti. You don't understand. Person go dey. Someone they do our business. I'm doing my business. I'm minding my business. But every AK market, you have Ojo, they carry yourself. Don't put for my matter. So now where I going to respond? Now you get fra. As you not don't talk am now. And I no get court case. And I don't talk say I get fra. So as I get fra, me una manage the fra. Now where they fight, but Naira Marley no get fra. As he allow Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to destroy his career, Ìjẹ̀ṣà no get fra because Ìjẹ̀ṣà allowed Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to rewrite his story and called him pedophile. Sam Larry no get fra because he kept quiet for Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is calling him a killer. So Lizzy Anjorin when they expose say Ìyábọ̀ Òjó na armed robber, gist robber, ex-convict. Na him. Una dey blame government, but una get mental problem. Billionaire dey get fra. Engineer dey get, person wey get estate get fra. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wey dey for house of 1924. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wey dey shortlet no get fra. Na billionaire wey get estate get fra. Una no fit make am in. Una no go make am sef. Go check maybe we see another charger state. You have to check. Una fra. Una no. Wọ́n ní kí kú oríire. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Priscilla. Ní bá wọn gbóríire ṣe láyé. Mo ti bá wọn kọ́lé, ní bá wọn kọ́lé. Mo bá wọn bímọ, ní bá wọn bímọ. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Priscilla. Èyí tẹ́ ti bí ó máa yàn kú ni. Mo bá wọn ṣoríire, ní bá wọn ṣoríire. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, tẹ́ tẹ̀lé Priscilla. Ní bá gbogbo oríire tí mo ti bá wọn ṣe láyé, ní bá wọn ṣe ó máa dèwọ̀ fún yín. Àdàbí tẹ́ bá lè gba nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe ló. Àdàbí tẹ́ bá pray, except if any one of you pray that Ìyábọ̀ Òjó should happen to you or your children. Ó ní mò ń tọ́ ìmúṣẹ́ ń tọ̀ ni. Màá bá yín wí bí kẹ́ kú. Kẹ́ tó 1 million ẹ̀ lè dá mi mú. Kẹ́ tó 1 million ẹ̀ lè dá mi mú. Àdàbí ni mo gbé wá. Kẹ́ pé wọ́n bí mama lo kádàrá yín ni. Mama lo kádàrá yín ni. Kò sí ń fẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe sí. Àti kò jẹ́ bolóṣà mi lọ́wọ́. Kò sí bàbá ńlá kó ẹgbẹ̀rún yàrá yà yín tí ó bọ̀. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, you were the one that said Priscilla will cry blood. You said you will not stop. You said nobody can ever beg you. You said you Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, you said you will never stop. Can I play the evidence for you? Some of you saw the video recently now. Abi Erini, some of you saw the video. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó said she will not stop on top waiting. Now the same mama, the same papa bonus. For where I know Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, when she tell me say she will not stop. She will not stop on what? Tell me one court that will see that video and will tell Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to stand up and go. Tell me. Ogun ló máa pa gbogbo yín tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. àti Priscilla ogun ló máa fẹ̀jẹ̀ yín wẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ yín àtẹ̀ntẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé wọn àdàbí tó ẹ pé mo kọ́kọ́ wá fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àdàbí tẹ bá gbàdúrà kẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kẹ́ wá ṣàgbákò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní ìrìn àjò ayé yín àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Priscilla o àti Festus o àti Rakim o ogun lákàyé ló máa fẹ́ràn ogun yín yẹ̀pẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ yín láìpẹ́ ọjọ́ yín àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àdàbí jẹ́ òjé pé lọ́la àwọn tó tilẹ̀ kan ojú èèyàn tí ò ní sí mọ́ ẹ máa fọjọ́ lọ́jọ́ kan jú ẹ máa wòrán ẹgbẹ́ yín kú ni ẹ ní bẹ́gbẹ́ pé ẹ ní bẹ́gbẹ́ dọ́gba ẹ máa ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ ni ẹ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ẹ ní jẹ́ wọn mọ́ ògbóni tẹ̀ ń gbẹ̀jà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fún rẹ̀ àti Priscilla àti Festus àti Rakim ẹ bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ ní jèrè láyé lọ́kùnrin yín lóbìnrin lọ́mọdé lágbà yín ẹ máa fọjọ́ ọlọ́jọ́ kọjú kú ni ẹ máa ráre kú ni ẹ ní rówó lé san aláàánú yín kò ní pàdé yín tó bá ń lọ wájú ẹ ní rí kò ní rí yín aláàánú lọ́tún lósì kò ní rí yín ebi máa pa yín kú ni ẹ máa tàràkà kú ni láyé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ ní rọ́wọ́ mú lọ sẹ́nu gbogbo yín tẹ́ ti bímọ tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Priscilla tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé gbogbo wọn ṣe kakiri ẹ ti ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ ẹ ní jẹ wọn mọ ẹ yàgàn ọmọ ẹ yàgàn owó ẹ yàgàn ọlé ẹ yàgàn ẹni gígùn ẹ yàgàn àlàáfíà ẹ yàgàn ọkọ mèremère bọ àbálẹ èṣù bítọ́ bá balẹ̀ fún padà sẹ́yìn ẹ máa ṣe orí burúkú ni gbogbo yìí olórí burúkú ọmọ Priscilla yẹn ó ti pẹ́ lábẹ́ discover olórí burúkú ọmọ ìbànújẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó it was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that went for very dark man. That unfortunate Priscilla go put her mouth. Make her analyze your video. I've been at your post. Why just shake the whole look of Mobanuje? Ole. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ole. Estate owner dey jealous shame. Come Ìyábọ̀ Òjó come boy you no go see. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó and her daughter no dey win any court case. No donate for them. No give them shishi. You understand? No, they know they win any chichi court case. Too much evidence against them. Okay, when Ìyábọ̀ Òjó put in for 1 billion lawsuit between you and I, can Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ever win that case? Eko ma ba mi type Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Priscilla ole. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ex-convict Priscilla ole. Eko ma ba mi type. Can Ìyábọ̀ Òjó with video Ìyábọ̀ Òjó has done with what she has done? Can Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ever win the 1 billion naira? You call me name, you challenge me unprovoked, you call my name, and I've never called your name, and you went to court for what, 1 billion? And you know how much they donated for Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? He's one of people that donated for Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that told me everything, that they donated. And now ask that person, I say, when you are not mad, why will you ever donate to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Can't you see that she was one that came for me? She was one that attacked me unprovoked. That person now said, when you did not answer, we thought she would be having a good case. I said, she will be having a good case on what ground? On what ground will Ìyábọ̀ Òjó have a good case? On what ground? And Ìyábọ̀ Òjó will ever have a good case? The person told me, she said, then when I did not say anything, that they thought she will win the 1 billion naira case. I said, how will Ìyábọ̀ Òjó win a 1 billion naira case? She has called my name. She has called me name. She said, Lizzy Mohbad won lizard. She has said a lot of things. And she said, Toba Bipori, Yala, Daruko mi. And Fola that recorded Mr. Lawal's name lives in Ìyábọ̀ Òjó's house. Is it possible for Ìyábọ̀ Òjó to win such case? The person now said, when you did not see anything. When you did not see anything. I said, even when I did not even see anything, your brain is supposed to function. That was when I know that Ìyábọ̀ Òjó went to go and collect donation. And the person now told me that Ìyábọ̀ Òjó later confided in one person that she knew that she would not win the case, but she needed money. Can you imagine? That she knew that she would not win the case. That even her lawyer was warning her that they don't have case. That she was the first person that came for me. Because those are the things the court will look into. You were the first person that came for this person. You are the first person that mentioned this person's name. Then you come for this person unprovoked. You challenge this person. That if this person carry gun kill you, you are self-defense. Because you come for this person unprovoked. But because she needed money. Priscilla purposely said that she gather evidence. Evidence for waiting. When you go to court, you don't need 10 years show. Now one show them go listen to. Just one show. In fact, court need less than 4 minutes. Court need less than 1 minute video. They don't need long videos. No. I'm telling you. Because Teba Padi Raolori Bukubi Yabo Joni Maje, emotion lecture. Court does not need long videos. God does not need long video. What court needs in the court is less than 1 minute. Just 1 or 2, 3 things. All this video we are doing, court cannot entertain it. You understand? Go and ask your lawyer. If you have any lawyer around you, ask them. All this show we are doing, none of them. The court don't need all this video. What court really needs is just short videos and allegations. That is all court reacts to, allegations. Then somebody allege you that okay, now you kill Mohbad, Abi. Now you kill Mohbad, Abi. This phone, Abi. Somebody, the court will ask, okay, you said she killed person. Yes, this is an evidence. The boy was with him. The boy was with her. They came together. The boy died few days ago. Blah blah. And she even said, me and my husband engaged in land grabbing. Simple as that. Counter, two fighting, no case. No case. No case. Iyabojo's daughter now, if she go to anywhere in your world, okay, what happened to Iyabojo's daughter? Yes, the mother blocked my daughter the day she brought court letter to my house. Then the court will order that the bailiff should be invited, and they will ask the bailiff who snapped this photo, who went to go and post court letter in this woman's house. The bailiff will say, okay, I'm the one. Okay, why did you snap the face of the 4 years old? She will say, maybe she can look for one like. Then how did this video get to online before you even get to the court? Then the bailiff, oh, I sent it to so person. Then when you send it to so person, so how come Iyabo Ojo ló máa kú fún mi jayé? Táyé bá ń jayé tọ́run bá ń jọ̀run, Iyabo Ojo ló máa kú fún mi jayé. Àbí tó wá pé mo kọ́kọ́ lọ fún Iyabo Ojo ló. Tó wá pé Iyabo Ojo ló kọ́kọ́ wá fún mi. Tó bá yẹ pé Iyabo Ojo ṣe aburú fún mi. Tó bá yẹ pé tòótọ́ ni Iyabo Ojo ṣe aburú tí kankan nínú yóò gbàdúrà kan ṣe fọ́mọ òun. Iyabo Ojo máa fọjọ́ ọlọ́jọ́ kọjú kú mi tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀ àtọmọmọ. Èmi ò máa ràn yín. Báwa ṣe máa ṣe ṣé o ti wá lọ́re, ẹ máa ké ẹ máa kú, o máa kàn mí. You don't understand? Naira Marley kept quiet for you, Iyabo Ojo. You want a victim like Naira Marley? Oshi. You want a moving victim like all your you know, this time around. Máa bí ẹgbọ́n bí kò kú ẹ̀ǹdì ẹlẹ́lẹ́. Ẹ̀ǹdì ẹlẹ́lẹ́, this is your end. Òdìgbọ́n pàpà Don't Iyabo Ojo and her daughter does not have case. Then the day Iyabo Ojo was, you saw the video that I posted. It takes olórí burúkú èèyàn tí ò ní jẹun ọmọ ló máa rí fídíò tí mo post bí Iyabo Ojo ṣe post ojú Florida ó máa sọ pé kí n má lọ fọ́mọ ẹ̀, and that is just one. If you are constant on Facebook, you will see how Iyabo Ojo involved in blogging my daughter. Ìwọ tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ tó ò ní jẹun ọmọ nìkan ṣoṣo ló máa rí fídíò tí mo post níbi tí Iyabo Ojo ti post ojú Florida tó máa ní kọ́ máa post kọ́ máa blog Priscilla. Ìwọ tó bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ò ní jẹun ọmọ ó bí gba ọmọ ó máa fojú sunkún gbogbo ọmọ ẹ̀yìn tó bá ti bímọ ó máa gbókù ẹ̀ lọ fáwọn òbí ẹ̀. How can you snap a face of when Iyabo Ojo did it that day? I posted it. You think I forgive Iyabo Ojo? Forget it. Forgive me. Forgive me. You should know that padà bọ̀ Abidjan. Ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé padà bọ̀, ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mo ń padà bọ̀. Iyabo Ojo should be prepared. You don't understand? That is how Iyabo Ojo went to go and give Ejo to Jerry bad luck. That one was going from one police station to another, from that one spent all his coins. Ebo ju ti money sí. Ojú mi. So, ojú wọn ti. Because that video that I posted this morning, kò sí bí mo ṣe lè gbèjẹ́ tó, kò sí bí mo ṣe lè gbèjẹ́ tó, ó lọ post ojú ọmọ lọ́mọ, torí mo fẹ́ jẹ wọn ọmọ, mi ní gbèjẹ́ mọ́. Láyé ọmọ òjò when Iyabojo was doing her own, when I was posting it, you think I will let it go? I won't let it go. Now you should go forward. O lè gbàrú ẹ̀. Ṣé wọ́n lè gbàrú ẹ̀? Ṣé o lè gbàrú ẹ̀? O lè gbà náà. N tó bá lè gbà má fi lọ́mọ lọ́mọ. O sì yẹn tó bá lè gbà ní kó fi lọ yàn. O lè gbà. So you think when she came to my house and video my compound and posted it, you think I know? You should not come back for Iyabojo now. Ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ now. Yín ò ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kìíní now. Iyabojo, can't you see what Iyabojo has done to Mohbad, to Naira Marley, to all of them? Kí ni Priscilla Abishore Priscilla Abishore tí Naira Marley Abishore? Bí olórí burúkú Iyabojo tó máa mọ sáré Priscilla àti Festus, bó ṣe bí Festus àti Priscilla kan náà ṣe bí Naira Marley. Mo bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín náà, stop ẹ̀.